guys, good morning. Again, we're here in Bana Hills. So it is exactly 6:35 in the morning. There's a very heavy mist. You can already see in our background. It's really a creamy white. You wouldn't be able to see anything from the outside, but we are riding a cable car going to the Golden Bridge. The bridge is very famous here in Bana Hills, the one that has gold hands. So hopefully we'll be able to take a lot of photos and then see the morning mist or early morning mist here in Bana Hills. So I'll see you guys there once we are at the bridge. See ya. Alright, so we're now arriving the area for the Golden Bridge. So we have to alight the cable car. So just to let you know, guys, if you are checked in at the Mercure French Village Hotel, you would be able to access the Golden Bridge as early as 6:30. Actually, the cable car starts at 6:30. You just see everything. So there are a lot of massage chairs, just to let you know, guys. As you can see, it is fairly misty. That is the Bana here, and that is the Golden Bridge. I'll just flip the camera over. So guys, I'll just do another shot once we're already on the bridge. We'll take photos first and all other things that we want to do for our photo dump, and then I'll put a couple of more things on this video. I'll see you. If you really want to capture the best photos, and of course not much people, better if you check in at the hotel here at Bana Hills. It's really worth it. Now we'll just go ahead and do a quick walk around, and then we'll go back and then perhaps change up, and then on another video you'll see the rest of the theme park of Sunworld. So I'll see you guys. It's like you're walking on the clouds. Of you while walking. I think you're going to see that in the video, or you wouldn't be able to know, but it really is good in terms of the photos, the quality and everything. So don't know what's on the other side of this bridge, to be honest with you. I actually don't know, but actually those that are checked in at the hotel. So I don't exactly know what's on the other side of this one. I think it's another cable car, or I think it's the cable cars for those who just go on a day trip. Because as far as I know, if you go on a day trip here, your cable car has a different route, and it goes straight to the Golden Bridge. So that is that. So the cable cars actually goes down to the main part of the hotel. So that is that. And there's a map of the theme park over there too. So let's just flick it around. So I think that sums up our video here of Golden Bridge. You can see, you can only see one hand, the other one is actually covered in mist. But yes, I highly suggest that you check in at the hotel for you to have this very early access, so for the bridge to take your photos. I'll see you in the next video, and that'll be for the rest of the Sun Road.